stop the train at all times and your feet off the black granite board to the left-hand side. Well, howdy, folks.
Howdy.
Howdy. You.
Here we go.
Yeah, all that was plumb pitiful for my party train. I said, howdy, folks.
Howdy.
That's a whole lot more gooder. My name is Conductor Josh, and I'm on the back of your steam train. I'd like to be the first to welcome you aboard the Frisco Silver Dollar Line. Waving us out on the front of the dock, that's my good friend and our local hobo, Jay. Everybody wave and say bye, Jay.
Bye, Jay.
With any luck, we'll be hanging about 15 to 20 minutes unless we take my train an average of 4 to 5 hours. Over there behind Jay is that Dollar Holler, home to the old time carousel, treetop trails and bears in the holler. That's where you can go in, build yourself a bear critter, dress it up, old man, so I can take it home with you. So please do make sure to dress up all the bears, because having a bear would be potentially unbearable. And if you take a look up at it, to your left over the edge, you'll see a giant green food store just like the most time. This is our world famous silver dollar coin. Home to the longest paper breeze like here in the Ozarks. A match just off the bar stool. So go in, fill yourself up to the bar, grab yourself an old-fashioned fruit beer, fill it with corn, and one better with all them pretty and girls. Hey, everybody say, fire and snow!
Fire and snow.
That's right, them 50 ball numbers came to town last time. They set the whole town on fire. Now that fire's evening, you're up to put out that reason. So that place, and everybody say it again. Fire and snow! Then his 51st season had Silver Dollar. It was constructed by the original employees over 51 years ago. Unfortunately, the fire always in it. The last station here in Silver Dollar City, and it's over. Because next year in 2024, fire in the whole business still bigger and better location. Totally fire and flame. That whole area will then be renamed to the Fire District. But we'll talk more about that once we get over there. However, if you haven't ever had a chance to ride the original Fire in the Hole yet, or even in a while, or even today, make sure to get yourself over there and ride it over and over and over again. Well, folks, as you can see, we're on the steepest racing track right now. That's because we're headed into what I like to call the Valley of the Giant Coaster. Up ahead to the left is Powder Keg. Powder Keg is our candy coaster. That means it'll blast you from 0 to breathless in roughly 2.5 heartbeats. It's scary fast, folks. Take a look over to your right, you're gonna see our world famous wooden roller coaster, Outlaw Run. Outlaw Run got the Gold Ticket Award back in 2013 and made it into the Guinness Book of World Records in 2015 for being the world's tallest and fastest wooden roller coaster. Drop you down and stick it inside that 3 every time. It's the whole experience to this take a pass on. Got the brand new bag of diesel. And notorious train robber Albie Bone, even a broke out of a splendid mine prison and even a thing in these parts. Everybody say, oh no!
Oh, no.
Oh yeah. So keep your fingers peeled and your eyes crossed. And if you got any gold or silver in your teeth, you best keep your mouth shut. He's been known to work a pair of pliers every now and then. And we're coming up on my favorite bar right here, Moonshine Sun. Moonshine Sun is known because that local moonshiner up there on the hill. These are judges his spots out here by the train tracks for everyone to sample. So if you want to sample it, make sure to raise your hand. We'll drop you off and pick you back up later. And I do mean pick you up. Yeah, my grandfather used to call that frog water. He used to say 1 sip, you'd be hopping. 2 sips, you turn 3 frog drink, and 3 sips, good. You just micro. Well, folks, if you take a look to the left and right here, you'll see trees. Right there, these flickers, you're in the middle of the woods. We have been able to see a few family deer out here for one to one. Well, if you think of one of them, right? goes out of nowhere and grabs a lady in car number 3. They roll down the hill to the left. We got the first off out of the hill, trying to get her out of the deal one day. I'm over here by the husband down at the saloon. Yeah, he was buying rounds for everyone. I'm thinking, happy days are here again. I don't know about y'all, but it's driving. Think about it. What's all that noise for? And why are always slowing down out here? Oh, I see what's going on, folks. It's that train robbing out there bowling. We're waving our train down. Let's see if we can go and scare them off. So everybody shake your big head and call them ugly. Y'all, that was so pitiful that wouldn't scare church pass off a block of holy cheese. Now I say to everybody, shake your fist at him and call him ugly.
Ugly.
Ugly, oh yeah?
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh, that was real good, Car, too. How about the rest of you? I said ugly, oh yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we might be ugly, but y'all rode all the way out here just to see me, so here I am.
Yeah, Ballin', we
What?
didn't come out here to see nobody. What are you doing stopping my train out here for?
You ought to be glad I got you stopped. I stopped you to warn you.
About what?
Yankee!
Yankee.
Yeah, right up there. None of the biggest, ugliest Yankees you never did see. Now got these war sticks, swinging them around. They ain't hit nothing.
Well, why ain't they hitting nothing?
Well, I think they're New York Yankees.
Ballin', there ain't been no Yankees out here in years.
So they're
They're
bad,
bad?
and they're mean, too.
How do you know that?
Oh, well, last night I sneaked up on them and I heard them talking.
And what they say?
They said, whoopee! Yeah! Hey, hey, hey.
That's what they said?
Yeah, word for Yankee word, it was scary.
Well, that was scary what I just saw there, but I don't speak Yankee and there ain't a person on my train. Oh, you speak
Well,
Yankee?
yeah, I speak Yankee.
All right, what's it mean?
Well, the whoopee part means they're gonna swoop down on your train. Then they're gonna hop around on the roof. That's a yeah. Then they're gonna run off with all the money. That's the hey, hey, hey. They like money.
I'm sure they do, but I ain't buying that story.
Well, you don't gotta buy it. It's free.
Well, even at that price, I still don't want it. But for the safety of the folks on my train, I'll go on up ahead and see if I can't find some Yankees.
That's a right good idea there.
Yeah, I got a good idea too. Stop. Get back up here. Stay away from my train and my passengers, because if I come back and catch you anywhere near them, I'm going to have you a big old surprise.
Surprise? Wait a minute. I like surprises. What you got?
How about a brand new bell button?
I don't need another bounty gun.
Why's that?
Well, I done got one. If I had another, it'd be a naval reserve. Duh.
I can't even argue with that block.
No, you ain't got time to argue. You gotta go down there and fight them Yankees.
Yeah, that's where I'm going.
In case y'all ain't figured it out by yet, y'all's in a heap of mess of trouble. Yeah, your tall, lanky conductor went down there to check on them Yankees and left y'all here with me. I'm that notorious train robber, Alfie J. Bowling. And what we got here today, y'all, is a stick-up. You gotta laugh at that. It's the best joke in the show. No, it's a train robbery. I need everybody to get your hands up and act scared. Come on, get 'em up, 'cause if I'm gonna fake rob you, at least you can do is act fake scared, y'all. So see, here's what happened. The sheriff's got my little brother Ralphie all locked up in the jailhouse in town. And I'm trying to get bail money to get him out, 'cause tonight's liver and onion night at the house. That's his favorite, and I'm hoping he eats my half. So I'm gonna rob you. I'm gonna start back there at the back, and I'm gonna work my way all the way up to y'all up there. Now I'm gonna need all your gold, silver, copper, and the Yankee folding money. Y'all got any gold or silver back here? No gold or silver. Copper. Woo, look, it's working. Pleasure robbing you. You don't like liver and onions neither, do you? Yeah. Y'all got any gold or silver or copper? You got any cents at all over here? No. You could be a train robber. You got any gold or silver or copper or a phone cake? Phone cake sounds good, don't it? Donuts sound good too. Got any gold or silver, copper? How about you up here, purple hair? You got any gold or silver? No. Woo! Pleasure robbing you, young man. Thank you so much. golders. Ah, you were holding out on me. Look for you. What is you robbing you, young man? Y'all got any gold or silver up here, or copper, or a goldfish? A green goldfish? What's the odds of that, right? Especially robbing you, sweetheart. How about you all? Got any gold or silver or copper or a phone case?
I know a box, but I can't compete with the goldfish crackers.
Thank you, robbing you. Thank you. How about you all? I'm counting on enough bail money to get. You ever had to pay full price to get in, did you? No. Say that for a few days, it's a lot better. Got any gold or... I can't believe I said that. You're gonna try that, don't tell the preacher. We all got any gold or silver? High five. There you go, I'll let you go then. You got any gold or silver or high five? Woohoo! About all I got too. It's hi precious. You got any gold or silver? High five. Oh, I got nothing from her. Hey, what's going on, conductor?
What's going on? What are you doing down here by my train?
I'm talking to my girlfriend here. All four of them.
I'll give y'all something to talk
What
about.
do you got?
Land!
No, I don't want land.
Why don't you want land?
Well, I tend to run better on land.
I can see that. No, I've had enough of you. I'm just gonna go over here and blast a train robber.
There ain't no train robbers over there. I'm the only one here right now.
Yeah, make it easier to hit you.
Well, not if I hide. I go to the... No, I hide. You won't find me.
Oh, really? That's your hiding spot?
Yep, I'm a tree. You can't see me.
Can still see part of you.
What part?
That part.
Oh! Oh, that's a bad part, buddy. That's the worst part of the show for me. Does that about every half hour. Maybe every 20 minutes. Yeah. Bye-bye, y'all. Pleasure robbing you.
Oh, there you're going. Everybody give a big old round of applause.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, y'all. Have a wonderful rest of your day.
And if you enjoyed the show, give a big old yeehaw. Yeah, they'll be out here causing trouble all day long, folks. Well, folks, if you take me today's Super Dog City on the same day as that, you know, you can upgrade that and still leave it. That's a little bit more money over at our gas and electric cost. That's why I do coming on my favorite things in the world. Here you go to the rest of the ride. Enjoy the show. Get ready for the business. If you can do anything. step, and if you can't do that, watch your mouth. This is a family park. Bye, y'all.